Good morning. Rainy day. Nice October though. Our weather is fantastic. Working on a 2015 F15 X5 today. You know I love X5s, love the F15, pardon my French, body style. It's got the wide wheels on it, nice white one. Let's go in the shop, take a look at it. Just doing some basic front end parts, sway bar links, quick and easy. We'll show you guys how to do it. Okay, we got this puppy up in there. Gonna be changing some sway bar links. Nice, easy job. As you can see, we're gonna upsell this customer some brakes. This is the result of somebody pad slapping this thing, changing the pads, not the rotors. Don't ever do that. We don't let that happen in this shop. So that's what happens. You end up doing the brake job again. 18 mil there, 18 mil here. So you can do it one of two ways. Hold this end with a vice grip if you want. You're changing these anyways, so toss them in the garbage, so it doesn't really matter. Or you can do it the other way. Use the hole through socket wrench that I have and hold this side with a Torx bit. That's what we'll do for the new one, so we don't mess up the boots. Top of the morning, lovely people. How are you doing today? On today's video, that's what I meant about the straight through socket. So basically you can put this on here. I'll show you just with the socket end on there. Boom. And then you can go in from the other side and you can hold the link. Tighten it up that way so you don't mess up the boot. Never just change brake pads. This is what happens, people. Don't be cheap, especially when it comes to these cars. You end up doing this job twice. We don't let that happen here, and there's a reason for it. Somebody pad slapped this thing. Now a customer is going to be doing pads, rotors, and sensors. As you can see, look at that bridge. Look at that nastiness. Such a nice vehicle, just nastiness. Okay, so basically, put our ratchet on there. Put our bit driver on the other end so we can hold the stud. Spin it up. Same top, same bottom. Move to the next side. Quick, easy job. Told you guys, save yourself a couple $100. It's a quick video, guys. So, other side. Just want to show you. Look at the condition of that rotor. Same on this side. So we'll do this link quick. Put the wheel on, torque it, back on the ground. Off to the races. That's all, folks. That's all. Thanks for tuning in to another episode, guys. Quick and easy one. Changing sway bar links on your F15. These front ends are a little bit hard on themselves with the wide wheels. I get these all the time. Sway bar links, bushings, front, lower, forward control arms. Do it all. So yeah, if this video was any help for you or you have any questions or concerns, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and drop me a comment if you do have any questions. Love to help you out. Thanks for tuning in. Keep your sticks on the ice.